Traditional marketing versus digital marketing. Hey everyone, you're watching Sprintzeal channel where you'll enjoy the video and make sure to subscribe our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Introduction. The core essence of traditional marketing versus digital marketing has not changed much between the two marketing messages. Although digital marketing plan has more preference over traditional marketing, smarter entrepreneurs or marketers understand the context of advantages to apply and implement the right marketing and selling message. To draw digital marketing versus traditional marketing statistics, it is observed that digital marketing generates 50% more customer engagement than traditional marketing. On the contrary, traditional marketing is more productive to reach local audiences. Marketing channels rarely change than using digital marketing. To be precise, digital marketing is the same as traditional marketing or advertising, but with the replacement through social media marketing, digital devices, and other online means. But the real question is digital marketing better than traditional marketing? Let us unravel how digital marketing and traditional marketing differ in the aspect of advancement, benefits, factors, and differences in the marketing process. What is digital marketing? Digital marketing, information-driving advertising, is a modern marketing technique for the selling or advertising of products and services using digital technologies. In addition, the use of digital devices and other virtual mediums. The customers have flexibility over ad options and are a two-way communication that serves better customer support. In the digital age of business, this advertising or marketing through digital means of social platforms like Google, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, YouTube, etc. Perhaps a strong type of marketing strategy with the benefit that can be monitored, tracked, and measured with the type of marketing that involves promoting and selling products and services via online marketing. Planning, conversation, content, and sequels are the four phases of digital marketing. Digital marketing keeps evolving with the new trends and technology coming up. The digital marketing strategy requires the use of the internet and devices. In comparison to traditional marketing that has been in long practice, the method and the future of digital marketing have a strong impact and quick solutions. The common digital marketing methods are of 8 types. Affiliate marketing, content marketing, email marketing, mobile marketing, marketing analytics, pay-per-click, search engine optimization, social media marketing. What is traditional marketing? Traditional marketing is an old technique of marketing, advertising, and selling. This refers to a type of promotion and advertisement that include old methods of traditional advertising and selling through print commercials, newspaper print commercials, in co-occurrence with newsletters, magazines, flyers and brochures, radio ads, TV ads, billboards, print advertisements, newspapers ads, and many more. Simply put, this old method of traditional advertising and selling that were utilized in the past days for product marketing. Interest, awareness, desire, and decision are the 4 phases of traditional marketing. Traditional advertising and selling, advertising or ad campaigns have been in use in an organization or business for a long, having a stable operation. The common forms of traditional marketing are of the following types. Television commercials, radio commercials, flyers, billboards, outdoor marketing, print marketing. Traditional marketing versus digital marketing. Major differences. Traditional marketing. Entrepreneurs find it effective to achieve goals in the local target market. The mode of traditional advertising drives more private methods that entrepreneurs or marketers will have character relationships that impact briefing the brand name. Users will have to deal with studying or browsing over one type of material multiple times. The print or radio commercials are of high cost. Digital marketing. Entrepreneurs find it extremely helpful to achieve goals at local and global level. Users will have the flexibility of accessing one type of material through websites, ebooks, videos on YouTube, or video sharing websites. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, please do subscribe to our channel for such more videos and do not forget to press the bell icon.